Kedrick McDuffie: Humanity in Modern Mortgage Lending. The mortgage industry, like many sectors of the economy, is at a crossroads between the traditional, personal touch of customer service and the efficiency and accessibility provided by modern technology. In recent years, the mortgage industry has seen a significant shift towards digitalization. Online applications, automated underwriting, and digital documentation have become more prevalent, offering potential homeowners a faster, more convenient path to securing a mortgage. However, the question arises: does this shift towards digitalization diminish the human element that has been at the heart of the lending process? While technology can streamline processes, the role of human empathy, understanding, and personalized service remains irreplaceable, especially in a decision as significant as buying a home. The key to balancing technology and humanity in mortgage lending lies in leveraging each to enhance the other. Digital tools can handle the more mundane, repetitive tasks, freeing up human professionals to focus on areas where they add the most value, offering personalized advice, understanding complex financial situations, and supporting clients through the emotional journey of buying a home. Forward-thinking industry professionals are finding innovative ways to integrate technology and humanity. This approach not only makes the mortgage process more efficient but also more inclusive, providing borrowers with the tools and knowledge they need to navigate the process confidently. By demystifying the mortgage process, lenders can empower borrowers, making homeownership more accessible to a broader segment of the population. Another area where technology enhances the human aspect of mortgage lending is through the use of data analytics for personalization. By analyzing data on borrowers' preferences, financial history, and behavior, lenders can tailor their services and communications to meet individual needs, making the process more personal and user-friendly. As technology continues to evolve, ethical considerations become increasingly important. Ensuring data security and privacy while providing personalized services is a challenge, but it is one that must be met to maintain trust and integrity in the lender-borrower relationship. Innovators in the field, like Kedrick McDuffie, understand that while technology can streamline operations and make the mortgage process more accessible, the human element remains vital. The mortgage industry's journey into the digital age is not about replacing human interaction with technology but about using technology to enhance those interactions. As the industry continues to evolve, the lenders who succeed will be those who can harness the efficiency and accessibility of digital tools while maintaining the personal touch that is so crucial to the home buying experience. Technology and humanity, when combined thoughtfully, have the power to transform the mortgage industry, making the dream of homeownership a reality for more people than ever before.